Located in northern Bali, Gitgit Twin Waterfall is a hidden gem that captivates visitors with its natural beauty. Situated in the Gitgit village, this stunning spot features two streams of clear water cascading into a serene pool below. As you approach, the sound of rushing water grows louder, signaling the breathtaking view that awaits. The journey to the waterfall takes you through spice plantations and green hills, offering glimpses of Bali's diverse flora and fauna. The twin waterfalls, surrounded by caves with natural rock formations draped in the roots of large trees, create a refreshing oasis perfect for swimming and simply enjoying a beautiful and tranquil moment. Local guides will share fascinating stories and cultural insights, enriching your experience when visiting this place. Gitgit Twin Waterfall is an ideal destination to enjoy the enchanting natural beauty of Bali.